Hey, I'm Taylor, and we're here to answer a few questions about the all-new SUPER73-ZX. How much does the ZX cost? It costs €2,499 and shipping's free.
Can I get a ZX for free? No. Why does the EU version does not come with a throttle? Because throttles are illegal on public roads in Europe. But you can add the OR kit to your ZX to ride on private land and off-road.
Is the bike equipped with a torque or a cadence sensor? The ZX is equipped with a cadence sensor, which means you gotta keep on pedaling to activate your motor.
How old do you have to be, and do you need a license? You can ride at any age, but wear a helmet, and no, you do not need a license as it is an electric bike.
What kind of accessories will you have for the ZX? Right now we don't have anything yet, but along the way this year we'll release more accessories for the ZX.
Why does the motor default to 250 watt? And is it less powerful than the US motors? They're not less powerful than the US motors, but our motors are defaulted to 250 watts because of the EPAC standards.
And what does EPAC mean? So that means it's an electric powered assisted cycle, and that is a certification making it legal on the streets.
How long does it take to charge the ZX? About 4 to 6 hours.
Can I use my SG1 battery? Unfortunately, you cannot use your SG1 battery because the controller is different. The new ZX is like a 5-pin controller with a 5-pin battery, and unfortunately the SG1 is a 4-pin.
What is the range of the new ZX? That depends on your weight, your riding mode, the weather, the terrain you're riding on, but it slightly differs from 40 to 80 kilometers.
Will your SUPER73 get stolen? It does happen. We encourage getting some insurance and a really good lock just to be safe.
How do I lock it? Basically, you better lock your bike to something sturdy like a back rack or a pole on the street. And what I recommend is to pass your lock through the back wheel inside of the triangle of the frame, so they cannot steal neither your frame, neither your back wheel. I think that's the best one.
When will dealers receive the ZX? Not yet, because the first batches will ship out directly. But around August, the ZXs are also available at our dealers. Why do prices in the US differ from prices in the EU for the ZX? We have different specifications on the ZX, or input duties are different, or tax system is different. So yeah, that's why prices differ as well.
Can we do split financing? Yes, we have Split It, which requires a Visa or a MasterCard, and then we also offer Klarna in a few countries as well.
I'm 195, is the bike tall enough for me? Well, I'm quite tall and I fit comfortably on the bike, but if you have doubts on it, just make sure you book a test ride and see it for yourself.
When are test rides available? Well, at our HQ, they're already started, and like I said, we want to have test rides available in our dealers by August. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments, and as always, remember to like and subscribe to stay up to everything SUPER73. Thanks, guys.